Alright, so as requested, we're gonna watch Sonara performing one of um uh, yung mga gusto kong kanta, yung Ikigai by Dionella. Di ko alam paano po pronounce pa. Dionella. Sinerge ko na to nung last time eh. I'm sorry, dude. I like this dude, Dionella or Dionella with Looney, right? Ikigai. So Sonara is gonna perform that song. Very nice. Okay, so let's check it out. Um. Okay, Zonara Ikigai Dionella cover. Exciting! Let's go. This is gonna be kanta lang. This is gonna be awesome. Damn, they're just gonna sing, right? Tapos sobrang grabe nung tawag nito. Fuck. Yung ano ba tawag nito? Harmonization dito eh. Doon sa original song ni Dionella. Kay Dionella kasi yun. Tapos featuring Looney, no? Ikigai. Ay, hindi! Featuring Looney. Alright. Nilag natin yung video ng Seize the Light Photography, yung kumuha ng Phantom na to, man. Let's go! Oh, wow! Thank you for this! Marinig ko na ang Sonara for the first time. Just singing. Let's go. Holy shit, man. If you like Sonara, subscribe to the channel. Okay. Oh my God, man. Nag-aano yung speakers. Wala bang ano nito? Yung actual recording. Sayang naman, di masyadong marinig dahil sa speaker, pare. Ang ganda nung ano nila dito, nung voicings nila, yung harmonization nila dito. Shit. Di sayang, di marinig ng ano talaga. Ang ganda. Ito, this is what I'm talking about. Yung sinabi ko na I want them to have chemistry in how they look. Ito yung minimin ko, hindi naman kailangan para-pareho ng itsura ng damit or dapat naka-costume na pare-pareho sila, but I want them to look uniform at least, right? Ito yun. This is the perfect representation of how a group should look like in the stage or during performances. Ganito. Merong unity, merong chemistry ba? Ganito. I like it. Me like it so much, pare. Let's go. Dami kong sinabi man na may mesmerize ako sa Sonara. I'm sorry for pausing. Excited na ako sa part ni Looney. Nagra-rap kasi si Looney dito eh. Sino kaya magra-rap? Baka si Tin? Who the F is that? Damn! Sino yun? Si Dom yun! Pare, ang ganda ng... Wait lang. Nabibigla ako sa Sonara. Ang ganda ng boses ni Dom. God damn, sorry for pausing too much. Hindi ko nakilala si Yurika. She looks very girly here. Chicks na chicks, pare, nagulat ako. Siya to! Ito siya to. What the heck? Okay. How dare you say that Sonara doesn't know how to sing? Narinig mo ba tong putang inang to? Man, ayoko na sana mumura masyado, pero this deserves a mura, man. Holy shit! The riff, pare! Oh my God, Dom! Sino yun? Man, I'm loving the girls, pare. I'm loving the girls. That is my bias right there, man. I love how Nami sings. Nami Swan! I love how she sings. She's talking to the audience. She is performing. She feels the song. I love it, man. She is talking to the audience. She's talking to us while singing. I love it. I love it. And the voice is good. Very nice. Holy shit! Lahat ibibigay. Nagsuot tayo lang. Oryang. Katapusan. Nawala. Oh my god damn! Me? What the heck, man? Shit. That might probably be the best video of Sonara existing today. In existence today, man. Bakit walang video, yung official video nung performance na yun? Hindi pwedeng ano lang to, fan cam lang, man. I need to see the original video. It's a crime na walang original video yung video na yon, yung performance na yon, Ikigai. Very well sung. The freaking highlight was the rap part. It's crazy. Ang galing ng rappers ng Sonara. Ang swag ng Sonara is top tier. I think when we talk about swag na parang emo type, na parang may pagkakikay, Sonara got it. Yung maangas na chicks, ganun. I think that's the image that they should go to because sobrang angas na napakaganda ng rap part na yun pare, sobrang lupit. Oh! Whew! Wow! That's definite, that is my favorite part of this live stream. Crazy. Iki, I'm gonna listen to that once again at kung i-release nyo yun, I'm gonna put that on top of my playlist, Sonara. That's crazy. Holy shit. Let's go, man.